still thinking about the people back home. I mean, I think most of us, if we were in Delhi or Bombay, we would have joined the rallies which are taking place, right? Since we are here, we are stuck a little bit. We cannot do the things what we would have done in India. Now, this is an opportunity. We are doing it by signature campaign or whatever, or as somebody said, we can also try to organize silent march or procession without really affecting. But the whole message is that it should go back to India, that our brothers and sisters in India should see that these people and this is happening all over the world. I mean, it's coming even in Germany and in other European countries, people are doing it. And I think in Switzerland there are small groups who try to even organize that.
Even the
there is.
So I think we should really, the point is that we should really try to find out contacts with Indian media, newspapers, and that will be really worth. And if it's possible, even Swansea Minuten and Blikum Abend, I saw there are small captions they did over Anna Hazare. He's doing, but it just came once, so it's not covering like completely because of the Gaddafi episode. Every other news becomes less important, and because that's the complete revolution there.
I mean, one point is like to express our support to the people who are actually protesting on the ground in India. We would, as you said, like we would have done that had we been in India. And the other point is the only way by which we can get this Lokpal bill accepted is through the politicians. And all that these politicians care about is the media.
But
and
which
the
media? See,
Just a second. Hold it to that point. You said that what we need to convey this message to the politicians. What is your message to the politicians or the MPs that you have elected from your area?
Get the bill passed in the way we wanted, in the way Anna Hazare wants it. And
Indians
this will
who
come
are
only
abroad
through
are
pressure on the politicians.
So does everybody agree to his point that there is a message to all the politicians?
It's the best available bill till today because it's not that, it's because of mass. I read the bills and I think the Anna Hazare bill, no matter what, or let's call the Jan Lokpal bill, no matter what, it's not written in a very lawful way with article number and this. But if you completely read it, every individual will understand. So it's really good that it's not written in a very law-wise manner. But it really...
Just to debate that point, I mean, you have Anna Hazare's Jan Lokpal bill and you have the government's bill.
And also the Aruna Roy bill. Yeah.
Now comes the fourth bill today.
Yeah. So we
Dalit Lokpal bill today. So the point I was making, and take an analogy, all these investment bankers, hedge fund managers who take or who pocket a couple of times or multiple times of their salary as their bonus. I'm just making an analogy. If you make a society or a parliament of those all hedge fund managers or fund managers and say, you guys have to define your salary structure and we want a bill to be passed from you which will say no bonus and no cuts and no commission. Would that happen?
But what is the analogy? First of all, I don't understand.
There is a direct conflict of interest.
Talking of a profession and corruption. These
There
are
is a
not
direct conflict of interest because corruption is because everybody comes into politics, or most of them comes to politics because that has become the profession. And that profession has to go away because that was supposed to be the service. So,
Jan Sevak.
Jan Sevak. Now what I'm saying is, if hedge fund managers, they are doing that because they want to make a lot of money on top of their salary. They don't even care for the salary.
So in short, what you are trying to tell is the politicians come to the politics just because of money.
Absolutely.
And they won't be. They do not want this bill to be passed.
There is a direct conflict of interest.
There is a.
I think we all agree on that.
all agree on it.
I mean, the politicians.
You cannot expect them to pass a bill.
Corruption is always with the bureaucrats and politicians.
Already
But
we are
I think
talking
that's
about
the whole
final effect,
discussion
right?
about.
We are just saying how to minimize the impact.
Politicians are corrupt or Indian people are corrupt.
Well, it's all.
It's all.
It's
all.
They are reflection of
10
society.
years back,
No, but Sudesh,
I'll finish.
I mean, the bureaucrats
I'm not
and
in touch with the
Exactly. I mean,
current
they are
politicians.
forcing us to be
But
corrupt.
10 years back, I was very active in the politics. And I'll tell you, like, if you want the Congress ticket at that time in Goa, South Goa, you have to pay 5 crores in the Congress party, minimum. At that time in South Goa, which was our MP. Now, when I'm investing 5 crores,
Where from
I have
this 5
to
crore
invest
income, yes.
5 crores more to assure that I win the election. Now, where I'm investing this 5 crores, like bribing, like a club is there, give them a cricket kit, or some outsider laborers are there, give them saris, TVs, all such things. So minimum 10 crores I'm investing. Now, if I'm investing 10 crores and I'm winning the election, I want to see that next time again I get the
You have to earn it back, yeah?
No, I get
Your
chance
first
to
priority
come
will be to get this 5 crores back.
10 crores
investment plus 10 crore for the next
10 crores
election.
back and 10 crores I have to get it for the next year.
Exactly.
With inflation, the prices will be more.
So in a sense, what you want to say that the politicians have invested more money to win the election, and they will do corruption to get their money back. So will this Janpal bill, coming back to the topic?
That's why the voting them
hedge fund,
Will-
people who get just 500 and 1000 rupees.
Yeah.
These are the people who use the vote to these people.
There is
Exactly.
a difference between the wealth managers and this kind of wealth managers. यहाँ पे wealth manager is the institution is the country, and there the institution is a bank where they are working.
नहीं,
That's the whole difference.
दोनों की आत्मा नहीं है, दोनों की आत्मा नहीं है.
Coming back to the point. How is this Jan Lokpal bill going to stop these things?
That is my question.
Is it going to stop?
This is not going to stop.
It will.
Even the
Yeah.
MPs are covered under the Jan Lokpal bill. Even
Yeah.
the MPs are covered. And I'm not talking about the corruption before the election where they are giving 5 crores. It's after the election when they start trying to earn that money. That kind of corruption will be stopped by the Jan Lokpal bill.
So
भाई ऐसा है
You have
कि
to set a deterrent at some point.
Yeah,
If people are starting to get punished, if people start
Yeah,
seeing
yeah.
others who are getting punished,
That's actually also
then
written in the Jan
half
Lokpal
of
bill.
them, at least half of them, I
Because-
can say, from top to bottom in the bureaucracy, will stop doing it.
So
People who are honest-
in a way you want from top to bottom everybody should be covered. So the government's point that the lower level of the bureaucracy should not
Common
be in
man is
the.
Prime Minister, right?
So all of you agree that the lower part should come.
He's also part of us.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, he is,
और अगर
And you know, like the Jan Lokpal bill, honestly, in a capitalistic society, you cannot remove the corruption. Even corruption is in the human blood. That is for let it be agreed. Well, with this Jan Lokpal bill, you can reduce the corruption. Forget about.
yeah, it's about you have a fever and bringing it
That's
down.
good enough. That's good enough to
Exactly.
start with.
So even if we reduce by 60%, I think the common people and like daily to daily corruption,
Exactly. I mean,
we will get rid of that kind
So everybody agrees here that the Jan Lokpal bill is not something which will reduce the corruption to 100% or it will remove the corruption 100%. Yeah. No, because I have been hearing views from people like Nilekani or Mahesh Bhatts or the Roys telling that it's not Rome was not built in a day and the corruption will Jan Lokpal bill will not be done away with the
it has also
corruption.
42
But
years.
everybody knows that.
from
look at the example of Hong Kong.
1968 till now.
Look at the example of Hong
1968.
Kong and New Zealand.
That's a
And
ridiculous
New Zealand.
reason to stop doing anything about it.
No, but
You have
I'm
to
just
take the first
like
step
you
at
know
some point.
there are certain things we have to learn since we are here in Switzerland. His point that every individual is corrupt. That's how he started, and then he moved that he was also in politics. But if many people also told ki it's in every individual we are corrupt till the time we don't change. Yeah, the law is not going to do anything. First we should change. But I disagreed to that little bit. Now, for example, when I was driving in India, I also paid 100 rupee bribe to that Tullah if I jumped a red light and then.
You're on video.
No, it's okay. I'm just saying, stop the camera. Here there is no way you
Everybody
can
paid
do
the
that.
money, I think.
There are cameras at place. You will get the Einzahlungsschein at home. You cannot really overlook it. Now, if same individual, he goes from one land and the other land. If here there was a possibility like that, one would have also tried it.
So you mean to say the government is not really for
You see, modern infrastructure and technology.
control? They do not want to. They don't want to bring
Absolutely, modern
transparency.
infrastructure and technology
They don't
and
want to stop this
remove all these
corruption.
things. And then human involvement of playing, let me just finish. The human attitude of playing the bribe will go down when you directly, if the punishment.
The system is there.
Exactly. So I think individual has a tendency to pay bribe, as you say, completely. Depending upon the environment. You get the right environment, you start paying. You don't get the environment, now we are in Switzerland, we don't do it.
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, हम लोग स्विट्जरलैंड में रहते हैं, हमें यहाँ पे एक बिल आता है 100 फ्रैंक का, 150 फ्रैंक का,
And you
200
speak
फ्रैंक
in
का.
English, many of the people don't.
Oh, sorry.
yeah.
So when we get a penalty for 100 francs, 200 francs, we are Indian. We know how the system works in India. If we would have a chance, would not we find somebody where we can just pay half of that and get that bill nullified? Of course, but that doesn't exist here. That window of opportunity.
That's the whole thing, the system.
System
and
works.
that's why Jan Lokpal bill may add that thing to this present
And
situation in
another
India.
example.